Hey there, what's up guys? And today we're going to unbox a special Gundam Converge. As you can see, it's EX19 GDJ00X Devil Gundam. Yes, this baby is the antagonist for G Gundam. As you can see, it's from wait here, G Gundam. Here we can look. Here's the top view, side view, the other side. Here you can see the calorie count for the candy itself. Well, you can see it's a candy toy. And here it is. This is the special feature or gimmick, that's what we can call, from turning to the what is this, standing mode, and to the flying mode. See, you can hear it's transformed. Alright, now here, well, without further ado, let's unbox this. First bag, second bag. So you can see the feet here. That's the backpack. The arms and shoulders. The third bag, quite nice. Oh, here's the head for the transformation. And we have here the instructions. Simple because it's a one-way transformation. It's quite nice. Nothing else. And here it is, the best candy ever, Bandai gum, which we would fucking throw away. Alright, okay, I'll get to you back later and install this shit. Alright, okay, bye. No, not bye. We'll see you again. And here we have it, guys, as layout, everything. This is what included inside the box. I have laid out exactly as the instructions. You can see there are numberings here. It's quite a number of parts. As you can see, they're quite nicely detailed, I guess. Alright, right now I'm going to get to the assembling part. Right, see you again next. And here we have it, guys, the Devil Gundam in standing mode. Well, I don't know what mode it is called because I can't read fucking Japanese. These are the two modes. This is the first one. As you can see, it's quite nice. It's a bit more heavy, a bit more chunky. As you know, the Converge line, especially the EX line, is not up to scale as their model kit brethren parts, which are like 1/44 scale, 1/100th, 1/60th. So they are built just to, how to say, act cool. That is it. So here you can see the side view, which is quite nice. I would really love to have a model kit form of the Devil Gundam. Well, a proper model kit form of the Devil Gundam. Well, here it is. As you can see, there's not much of movement. You can move the head sideways slightly, move the arms slightly, and you can move the hands slightly. As you can see, it comes with the base, but as you can tell, it can stand on its own, so you actually don't need the freaking base. It's quite nice, the inner part details. The only gripe I have is the eyes on the crotch piece, I don't know, pants, should be painted somewhat, but it's like molded in silver. As for the legs, same as goes to the legs. So it's an easy paint. What you can do with all these converges, you can add a bit of panel line details, a bit of water slide decals to make it more pop, and a bit of detail painting. You see the thrusters here, normally people will paint it in red, blue, silver. Yeah, as you can see, I like it. I like it in this first form, standing form. You can see it's R's. It's quite nice. Yeah, all these verniers, quite cool. Alright, see you on the next form. Alright, here we have on the Devil Gundam on its second form. As you can see, it's flying. I don't know, maybe it's called the flying armor form. I like this form much more better than the first one. Well, I don't know, they both look quite good. As you can see, this one needs a base. This one definitely needs the base, or not you are lying there on the ground. You can see the feet, all the feet folded up to give it that burst thrusting mode look of it. As you can see, this one, the second mode, they give you a different crotch piece. The eyes painted, and it's a metallic clear green paint, so it's quite nice. As you can see, it's already falling apart because all these Gundam Converges, you just press to the plastic itself. It's like rubbing the plastic, holding the plastic. It's not like normal Gundam kits, plastic kits, where it snaps into it. It's not polycap material. It's like quite hard plastic, but not as hard as the normal kits. This part is quite nicely detailed. I like it, and the articulation is still the same. The bottom part is not movable at all. The hands, different hands. Is like clawy hands. It's like grabbing some big ol' huge. Nah. It changes from this. You can pick either wise. And this is the same with Gundam Converges. It looks cool. It is not movable, but you have a lot of leftover parts, so you need to store it in some ways. So, but yeah, I like it a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.